Close your eyes and imagine a traditional British seaside holiday. The sound of the waves, colourful beach huts, children building sandcastles, the scent of fish and chips drifting through the air, and the excitement of winning a prize in the arcade. In this brand new journal series, we're capturing all of those treasured memories and turning them into a beautiful vintage British journal. Together we'll create pockets, tags, vintage postcards, seaside tickets, journal pages and nostalgic ephemera inspired by the classic British coast. But this isn't about crafting, it's about preserving those memories from childhood, celebrating seaside traditions and creating a journal filled with charm, nostalgia and storytelling. So whether you remember the donkey rides on the beach, collecting shells by the sea or spending every spare penny in the penny arcades, there's something here for every lover of vintage seaside memories. So go grab your cup of tea, gather your favourite supplies and join me as we build together a vintage British seaside journal, one page at a time.